Hello my dear students, welcome back in our today's science class, and we are in a chapter 4, that is effects of electric current. Okay, so before moving to our today's class, let's revise what we have learned in our last class. Okay, so in our last class we have learnt about energy transfer in an electric circuit. Yes, hope you remember. Okay, here we have seen one diagram of electric circuit, that is here this is consist of, this is called as what, battery, then I, which means current, this is a plug key. Okay, this is called as potential difference. Then here is a positive terminal, here is a negative terminal. Okay, this is called as voltmeter, this is called as ammeter, this is point A, point B, and this is called as resistance. ठीक है, so current always move from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Okay, so the direction of current is always from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Okay, so here behind this, the concept whatever is there we have learnt in our last class. Okay, then we have derived one derivation, that is H is equal to I square into R into T, and it is called as what, Joule's law of heating. Okay, so we have started this derivation from the formula, that is P is equal to electrical power, which is equal to what, energy divided by time required. Okay, which is equal to VABI. So students, if you haven't watched yesterday's video, I mean last class video, please go and watch that, because that is very important to learn, to gain some knowledge about today's video. Okay, please go and watch that. Then we have learned about unit of electrical power, that is equal to what, 1 watt. Okay, then next we have learned about heating effect of electric current, which is very interesting topic. Yes, so here it tells about what, when a resistor is connected in an electrical circuit, what happens, heat is produced in it due to what, current. जब current रहेगा तब heat भी हो जाएगी. Okay, so this is called as what, heating effect of current. Then you all know that equipment such as water boiler, electric cooker, electric bulb, yes, this make use of the heating effect of electric current. Okay, then these are the some types of coils which are used in different kinds of instrument. Okay, a coil which made up of an alloy nichrome, it is used in electric heater, cooker as a resistor. Okay, while a tungsten wire which is used in an electric bulb. Okay, yes, then the home, you all know that we have learned about our home electrical connection consists of 3 wires, that is the live wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. Okay, so the live and neutral wire, these are the connection which we get from electric poles. Okay, and earth wire is connected to what, it is connected to the ground. Yes, then the live and the neutral wires have potential difference about what, 220 volt. Okay, and you all know that earth wire is connected to the ground. Okay, when the two wires come in contact, when they touch each other, a large current flows through it, which produced what, which produced heat. Okay, if any inflammable material such as wood, cloth, plastic exists around the place, then what happened, it can catch a fire. Okay, therefore what is important, a fuse wire which is used as a precautionary measures. ठीक है, to avoid this kind of circumstances. Then you all know that many times, particularly in summer season, what happens, you all know that huge electrical power is used in the evening due to the home lighting, fans, air conditioners, use of electricity in shops, etc. Yes, so as a result what happens, excessive current is drawn from the transformer supplying the electricity, and therefore the capacity of the transformer is insufficient. If the capacity is insufficient, then what happens, its fuse wire gets melted and the supply gets shut down. So this happens because of the overloading. Okay, so here are the different pictures of different types of fuses which are used, which we will used. Okay, So till this we have learned in our last class. So now today we are going to learn a very interesting topics which you will enjoy learning. So I hope all of you are with your textbook. Okay, so we are going to start from page number 51. The topic is magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, so students, we have learned about heating effect of electric current. In previous standard we have studied about magnets, magnetic lines of force. Okay, however it will be interesting to see if an electric current and magnetic field are related to each other. Okay, so here there is one activity which is given, which we have to perform in our lab, but now I'm going to give you some basics about this activity. So here we have to connect the circuit as shown in the figure. Okay, so here is a positive terminal, negative terminal, this is plug key. Okay, and the direction of current you can see from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. Okay, these are the points A, B. Okay, so connect a copper wire thicker and a straight as compared to the connecting wires between A and B. Yes, then keep a magnetic needle adjacent to the wire. So this is a magnetic needle which is adjacent to the wire. Okay, keep the plug key open in the circuit and observe the direction of needle. So you have to open the plug key which is there in the circuit and you have to observe the direction of needle. Needle का जो direction है वो हमको क्या करना है, observe करना है. Okay, then close the plug key and observe the direction of needle. Okay, so what do you noticed? When here you can see, you all know that current always flow from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Okay, so here in the first case, this is the north pole and this is the west side. This is north pole, this is south pole. Okay, so here the direction of current, here you can see the north pole moves towards the west side. Okay, in the first situation north pole moves towards the west side, and here you can see in the second situation what happens. In the second situation you can see the current flows from, here is a negative charge, here is a positive charge. This is opposite. Here first time is a positive charge, here second time negative, but here first time negative and second time positive. Okay, so current flows from B to A. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे डायरेक्शन कैसा है, बी साइड वाला है. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे इन दोनों में डायरेक्शन कौन सा है, ए साइड वाला, which means what, current flow from A to B and here it flows from B to A. Okay, so and here also you can see the change, that is the north pole moves towards the side east. Okay, north pole moves towards the side east and here the north pole moves towards the side west. Okay, so these are the differences which you can see in the both the situations. Okay, now interchange the connecting wires connected to the cell and observe the direction of magnetic needle. Okay, so we have observed the whatever the direction of magnetic needle, it gets changed from north to west and from north pole to west and here from north to east. Okay, when the current flows through the wire, magnetic field is produced. Okay, yes, and it shows deflection in the magnetic needle in opposite direction. Yes, here you can see the direction is opposite, here the direction is opposite. It moves towards the west side and here it moves towards the east side. Even the direction of current is also interchanged. It is directed toward point B, here it is directed towards a point A. Okay, magnetic effect is also observed because of what, current in the wire. Okay, जब वायर में करंट होगा तभी तो मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑब्जर्व हो जाएगा. Yes, this means that electricity and the magnetism are closely related to each other. Okay, they are closely related to each other. Electricity and the magnet are closely related to each other. Yes, very true. Now if a magnet is moved and keep moving, विल वी ऑब्जर्व एनी इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट? जब मैग्नेट जो है वो मूव करेंगे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे, देन व्हाट हैपन? We will observe any kind of effect? Yes. If we keep moving the magnet, then the deflection which goes on decreasing. Okay, that means there is interchange of the current will see, and the magnetic field also gets decreased. Therefore मैग्नेटिक फील्ड भी कम हो जाएगी जब हम मैग्नेट को मूव करेंगे. वी विल सी अपोजिट डायरेक्शन एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड भी उसमें कम हो जाएगी. ठीक है, सो देयरफॉर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी व्हाट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड्स एंड सच इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स. Electromagnetic effects which means what? Electro and magnetic. Electro which means electricity and magnetic which means magnet. So these both the terms are related to each other. So we are going to study what? Electricity, magnet and its effect. Okay. Yes. So this is about our first activity. Now here in the page number 52 there is a second activity which is given. Okay. So for that you have to connect the thing like this. You have to do a proper setup which is shown in the figure. Yes. So when a large current approximately 1 ampere or more flows from the thick copper wire passing through a cardboard, here you can see a cardboard is placed and a thick copper wire is there. Okay, so then what happened? The magnetic needle, okay, this is the magnetic needle, you can see over here, this is a magnetic needle. So the magnetic needle kept at different points on the cardboard around the wire stands in the different direction. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, अलग अलग पोजीशन पे यहाँ पे आप रहोगे. here जब आप अलग अलग पोजीशन पे रहोगे तो ये मैग्नेटिक नीडल जो है वो अलग अलग डायरेक्शन बताएगी. ओके, सो इट विल गिव अ डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस. ठीक है. ओके, सो द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट विच इज शोन इन द सर्किट इज इट्स convention direction which means what? Positive to the negative terminal. Okay, it is from positive to the negative terminal. Direction which it is from positive to negative direction. Okay, so that is called as the convention direction. Now here is a one question which is given in your textbook, that what changes are caused by increasing or decreasing current. Okay, जब करंट इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज होगा तब क्या होगा? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो है वो भी इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज हो जाएगी. यस, एंड द डिफ्लेक्शन ऑल्सो गोज ऑन इंक्रीजेस एंड डिक्रीजेस. ओके, व्हेन वी गो फार अवे फ्रॉम द फील्ड, जब जितने दूर जाओगे उतना डिफ्लेक्शन कम हो जाएगा. ओके, डिफ्लेक्शन विच मीन्स व्हाट? द चेंजेस इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. ओके, इफ इट इज in the same direction then it will go in the opposite direction. Here you will see the two different directions. Okay, yes. Now instead of magnetic needle, spread iron filling on the cardboard as and observed. तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने मैग्नेटिक नीडल यूज किया है. सो हियर व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज? आयन फिलिंग. ओके, the iron filling arrange themselves in a circular manner around the wire. Here you can see it shows a circular path. Okay, this happens because of what? This happens because of magnetic field. Iron filling gets arranged in a circular form. Okay, it will arranged in a circular manner as shown in the diagram. Okay, so here you can see as shown in the diagram, it will give a circular type of thing, circular manner, a circle. Here you can see a circle which is going to form this type of circle. Okay, so the iron filling arrange themselves in a circular manner around the wire. Why does this happens? Yes, a very interesting question. Because of what? Magnetic field. जब magnetic field रहेगी तभी तो आयन जो है, आयन फिलिंग जो है, it gets arranged in a circular manner. So it gets arranged in a circular manner because of the magnetic field. Okay, yes. So students, we have studied magnetism and magnetic field in our previous standard. Yes, the iron filings spread along the magnetic lines of force in a circular manner. Yes. Now, right hand thumb rule, a very easy rule which we are going to see, and it is very interesting. You can do it in practical at your home only. So here, this is convenient rule for finding out the direction of magnetic field produced by a current flowing through an electrical conductor. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है, you have to imagine now. Okay, let's take this as a game, and you have to imagine that you have held the conductor in your right hand. Okay, तो आपको आपका right hand लेना है, and you have to imagine that you have held the conductor in your right hand in such a way that your thumb points the direction of current. तो आपको ऐसे अरेंजमेंट करना है अपने हैंड का, राइट हैंड का. ओके, सो ये जो थंब है वो कौन सा डायरेक्शन बताएगा, इट विल शोज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. ओके, then turn your fingers around the conductor. The direction of the fingers is the direction of the magnetic lines of force. और जो ये curled fingers जो है वो कौन सा डायरेक्शन बताएगी, it will shows the direction of magnetic field. Here you can see all the magnetic fields are arranged in circular manner. Okay, so just इसमें इतना ही ध्यान में रखना है कि थंब जो है वो कौन सा डायरेक्शन शो करता है. सो थंब शोज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट एंड द कर्ल्ड फिंगर्स विच शोज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रूल, and here you have to just imagine and think about 2 points, that current always shows in the right hand thumb rule, current shows your thumb shows the direction of electric current, and your curled fingers will show the direction of magnetic lines of force. These 2 points you have to just remember, and you have to write down the answer. Okay, so this last line is very important, remember this. Okay, so this is about right hand thumb rule. Then the second point, the last topic of today's class is magnetic field produced by a current through a circular loop of a conducting wire. Okay, so we have learnt about magnetic lines of force of the magnetic field produced by a current flowing through a straight conductor. Okay, so what will happen to the magnetic lines of force of field produced by a current flowing through a loop made by bending the straight line. जब straight line को bend करोगे तो क्या होगा, concentric circle बनेगा. You can see over here the concentric circle. It will form as a concentric circle. Okay, so here the circuit is completed by connecting various components as shown in the figure. Here you can see the magnetic lines. This is a conductor loop. This is a conductor loop, the loop which is formed over here, and it is a cardboard. Here you can see the positive negative terminals. Yes, so if the current pass through the loop, magnetic lines of force are produced at each point on the loop. Yes, जब current loop में pass हो जाएगा तब magnetic lines of force are produced at each point on the loop. Yes, as we go away from the wire, जब हम वायर से बहुत दूर जाएंगे तब क्या होगा, the concentric circle representing the magnetic lines of force will become bigger and bigger. ओके, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे छोटा सर्कल है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया, यहाँ पे और बड़ा हो गया. तो ये क्या हो गया, the concentric circle representing the magnetic lines of force will become bigger and bigger. Here you can see P and Q points, and the 3 circles are shown. Okay, and they are going bigger and bigger in size as they go away from the line. Okay, yes, as we go towards the center of the loop, जब हम center of the loop के यहाँ पे जाएंगे तब क्या होगा, the circle becomes so big that its arc can be shown in a straight line. circle जो है वो बहुत बड़ा हो गया है. यहाँ पे you can see here it is shown as a half circle, the last 2 lines. Okay, and it is shown in a straight line. Here you can see the straight line, बीच में जो straight line है वो. Okay, in the image the magnetic lines of force are shown near the points P and Q. Okay, तो यहाँ पे देखो pointer P and Q यहाँ पे ये show किया है. However, they will be created near each point on the loop. जब भी वो कौन से भी पॉइंट ऑफ द लूप में शो कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो बाय मेकिंग द यूज ऑफ राइट हैंड थंब रूल वी हैव टू चेक दैट एवरी पॉइंट ऑन द लूप contributes the magnetic lines of force at the center of the loop, and these lines of force at the center of the loop are in same direction. ठीक है, तो उनका डायरेक्शन जो है यू कैन सी द डायरेक्शन इज ऑलवेज सिमिलर. ओके, यस. Now, the intensity of magnetic field at any point produced by a current flowing through a wire is dependent on the current. So, everything is dependent upon what? Everything is dependent on the current flowing through the circuit. Okay? Yes, this means that what? If there are n turns in the loop, जब यहाँ पे हम n turn लेंगे, n मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा, just imagine infinity. Okay? If we have taken n turns in the loop, then the magnetic field n times of that produced by a single loop will be created. Then n time magnetic field जो है वो create हो जाएगी. Okay? So जितने more turns होंगे, okay, जितने more turns होंगे, more magnetic field we will observe, okay, in the circuit. ठीक है. So this is all about today. Today what we have learned? Today we have learned about magnetic effect of electric current, where we have seen the two activities which are very nice. Then we have learned a right hand thumb rule which is very easy, and then we have learned about magnetic field produced by current through a circular loop of a conducting wire. Okay, so go through the content, students, and remember the content. Observe the videos. Please sit with your notebook, do your assignment regularly, as you all know that assignment carry marks. Okay, so thank you students. God bless you.